Hey Raj, quick question. What are your plans for this weekend?
I'm going to visit my parents and I will probably relax the rest of the time.
Perfect answer. And honestly, that answer is exactly today's topic. Lesson 24. Future tense made easy.
Oh, future tense. I always get confused between will and going to. I use them randomly, honestly.
You're not alone. That confuses almost every learner. But don't worry, by the end of today, it'll feel really simple.
Okay, I'm ready. Where do we start?
Let's start with the most common one, will. We use will mainly for quick decisions, promises, and predictions we're not 100% sure about.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Imagine your phone rings right now and you say, I'll answer it. That's a decision made in the moment, not planned before.
Oh, okay, so it's spontaneous, like you didn't think about it earlier.
Exactly. Another example? Promises. Like, I will call you tomorrow, I promise.
And predictions?
Like, I think it will rain later today. You're guessing, not certain.
Okay, let me try one. Um, I will help you with this project, don't worry.
Perfect. That's a decision made right in that moment. Exactly how will works.
Okay, that actually makes sense now. So, what's the difference with going to then?
Good question. We use going to for plans that are already decided before speaking, and for predictions based on evidence you can actually see.
Can you break that into two parts? That sounds like two different uses.
Sure. First, planned decisions. Like, I'm going to visit my parents this weekend. You already decided this earlier. It's not a sudden decision.
Oh, that's exactly what I said at the start of this video.
Exactly. And that's correct, because you had already planned that visit. Second use, predictions based on evidence. Like, look at the sky right now. Dark clouds, strong wind. You'd say it's going to rain, not will rain, because you can actually see the signs.
Oh, I never realized there was a difference there. So, will rain is a guess, but going to rain is based on something you can actually observe?
Exactly. That's the key difference. Let's practice. Imagine your friend is about to fall off a chair. What would you say?
You're going to fall because I can literally see it happening.
Perfect example. Okay, let's move to another form now. The present continuous for future plans. This one confuses people because present continuous is usually for right now actions.
Right, like I am eating means eating right now, correct?
Yes, normally. But we also use this exact structure for future plans that are already arranged, especially with a specific time.
Can you give an example?
Sure, I am meeting my manager at 3 p.m. tomorrow. This isn't happening right now. It's a fixed, arranged plan for the future.
Oh, so it's similar to going to, but more specific with exact timing.
Exactly. Going to shows intention. Present continuous shows a confirmed, scheduled plan. Like, I'm going to travel next month, versus, I'm flying to Delhi on the 15th. The second one has exact details, confirmed.
That's actually a really useful distinction. Let me try one. I am having dinner with my colleagues this Friday.
Perfect. That sounds exactly like a real, confirmed plan.
Okay, are there any other future forms or is that everything?
There's one more common one. Present simple for fixed schedules and timetables, like trains, flights, or official events.
Wait, present simple for future? That sounds strange.
I know, but think about it. The train leaves at 6 p.m. or the meeting starts at 10 a.m. tomorrow. These are fixed official schedules, not personal decisions.
Oh, I actually use this all the time without realizing it's technically future tense.
Exactly. Most native speakers use it naturally too, without even thinking about the grammar rule. Let's practice. How would you describe your office timing using this form?
My office starts at 9 a.m. and closes at 6 p.m. That's a fixed schedule, right?
Perfect example. Okay, let's do a quick fun round now. I'll give you a situation and you tell me which future form fits best. Ready?
Ready, go.
Situation 1. Your friend calls and asks for help moving furniture, and you agree right there on the call.
That's will, spontaneous decision. I will help you move.
Correct. Situation 2. You already booked flight tickets for a trip next month.
Going to, or maybe present continuous with the exact date since it's already confirmed. I'm flying to Goa on the 20th.
Excellent. Both work, depending on how specific you want to be. Situation 3. You look outside and see the sky turning completely grey and dark.
Going to rain because I can see the evidence right now.
Perfect. Situation 4. A train schedule that never changes, like a daily train timing.
Present simple. The train departs at 7 a.m. every day.
Raj, 4 out of 4. You've genuinely got this now.
Honestly, breaking it into these specific situations made everything click so much better than just memorizing rules.
That's exactly the goal. Real situations stick better than abstract grammar rules. Let's do one more thing. Combining a few of these in one natural conversation, like real talk.
Okay, let's try.
So, Raj, what are your plans for next week?
I'm meeting a client on Monday, and I'm probably going to finish the report by Wednesday. Oh, and if I have extra time, I will also start planning for the next project.
Perfect. See, you naturally used present continuous, going to, and will, all in one smooth conversation, because you understood when each one fits.
That actually felt really natural, not forced at all.
That's real fluency, using the right form automatically. So, friends, to summarize, use will for spontaneous decisions, promises, and uncertain predictions. Use going to for planned decisions and predictions based on visible evidence. Use present continuous for confirmed, scheduled plans with specific details. And use present simple for fixed timetables and schedules.
Honestly, this was one of the clearest grammar explanations we've done, at least for me personally.
I'm glad it clicked. Friends, try describing your own plans for this week using all 4 forms we covered today.
Comment below with your own sentence. We'd love to check them out.
If this lesson made future tense clearer for you, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep breaking down tricky grammar topics just like this.
See you all in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone!
Bye. And Anjali, I am definitely going to remember all of this. I hope.
That's the spirit, Raj. Bye, everyone!